Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good everything to everyone out there. I am RP from Frugal Green Talks and Eats, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. Thank you for all of you who reached out to me to check up on me, to see if I'm doing okay, and to all of you who have written such beautiful words for me. I have read the comments from the previous video. I have read the personal WhatsApp messages. I just wasn't in a space to comment on those or reply back, but I will do so. I will take time to do so, and I thought I'll share that I'm okay. I'm doing much better now. I am slowly transitioning into a normal functioning, well, as normal as I can be, human being. And yeah, so I am gonna maintain a regularity in these videos as well. I did lose 2 subscribers, but because of my previous video, I guess, but that's okay. I guess they didn't want to listen to my personal stuff. That's completely fine. And yeah, today's video is going to be something which I call my zero to hero noodles, and I thought it will be the best way to explain that this is what I feel sometimes, that yes, I have come from zero to hero in the terms that how I have improved myself, or at least I tried to improve myself, and thought this would be the perfect type of noodles or perfect type of dish to explain the situation. And as a thank you, I wanted to share this with you all. Now, one more announcement starting from Sunday, so that would be 20th, I suppose. 28th, no, 20th or 21st of June. I am going to maintain a regularity. My IELTS videos are going to be out, and they are going to be out every other day. So starting from Sunday, every alternate day, my IELTS videos along with my cooking videos are going to keep on coming. That's something which I have promised myself I am going to do for all of you. Alright? Let's get on to the cooking. Take care and thank you again.
Welcome to Frugal Green Eats, a place where we use cooking therapy for a sound mind. I'm here with my Zero to Hero handmade noodles with some chicken Manchurian. The chicken Manchurian recipe is on my IGTV at Frugal Green Eats. Do show some love there. Now, we need to remove as much of potato juice as possible from those grated potatoes which you use for hash browns. I did that. And now leave the potato juice. After a little while, you'll see this kind of a white starch is at the bottom. This is going to help our noodles. So remove the juice and keep the starch aside. Then come the green part of my handmade noodles. I've taken all kinds of kitchen scraps here. Cauliflower stalks, cabbage outer leaves which we usually discard away, bottle gourd skin, pumpkin skin, and you get the gist. Take all of those and you're going to put some boiling water on with a little bit of salt. You are going to boil it for at least 5 to 8 minutes because we need to puree it. Cool it down and remove it from the water. Squeeze out all the water. We don't want it too watery, it needs to be a puree. And then just puree it. This is how it'll look. Quite like a green pesto, but very soft and smooth. It needs to be smooth and no granules need to be there because it will be mixed with our wheat. After that's done, let's get on to the actual dough. here I have taken a 1:1 ratio of whole wheat and some white refined flour and about 3 tablespoons of oil with some salt. Add the puree and go on kneading. This is the main part of your noodles. You have to knead it with very minimal water. You can't take excess water. And do that for about 5 to 10 minutes. You should get a smooth layer. Cover it with a damp cloth and get on with your garlic and lemongrass oil. It's very simple. Garlic and lemongrass all chopped up, and take some cold oil, heat it up, not very hot but warm, and add the chopped lemongrass and garlic. Bas, shut it. Now, this is how you are supposed to make the noodles. Just pay attention. Very self explanatory. You have to work the dough nicely so that it's smooth and soft. The more you work the dough, the better the noodles are going to be. Remember, our noodles don't have any egg in it. These are vegetarian. While this process is happening, you can keep some water for boiling. In fact, keep a lot of it, at least 1 liter, because the noodles need some space to roll around. And in that water, you can keep some salt aside in it, but no oil. Never put oil in your pasta or noodle water. That's a myth. So, you can keep it as thick as you want, but I would say don't go very thin. Just this much should be good to ensure the proper al dente texture when it's cooked. After you've cut your noodles, if you can leave it to air dry for at least an hour, that's even better. I couldn't wait. I cooked it out in just about 15 minutes of air drying, just the way I'm showing you. I just hung it up on a ladle, and after that, this is the main tip. You are supposed to cook it batch by batch, never at once. And once it's cooked, toss it in that garlic oil and it's ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe.